Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome to my channel. I'm back today with another video on Really Smart Art, and today it's going to be a review video because my first one was more like an overview because Really Smart Art was in its pre-launch phase. And today's video also, I'm not gonna go through everything on Really Smart Art, but what I wanted to review on this video is the fact that the compensation plan uh, is working perfectly. As you can see here, we are in the dashboard of my account. Let me refresh this. There you go. So as you can see, I've already earned $20 commission. Now, it's not the amount that excites me about this commission, but it's the fact that how I got this commission. So let me tell you right away. I joined Really Smart Art and I got affiliate commissions without referring anyone. Okay, let me rephrase that. I earned commissions with zero referrals. Okay, and why? Because when you join Really Smart Art, you will be placed under a team that has the same purpose to get referrals, so everyone in the team will get paid. And if you are in a rookie position, just like I was, you will get paid $20. If you are in a rookie position and it is you that refers that referral directly, you will get paid another extra $10. Now, let me prove to you that I don't have any referrals. So let me go to my statistics, and you're going to see a lot of blurry things here, because a blurry screen, because there are a lot of personal data which I'm not going to show, I can't show. So here are the team members of my profit line, the initial team. Okay, and here are the referrals. So direct referrals on Really Smart Art are the referrals brought in by the team. Okay, your referrals that you bring in with your direct affiliate link are listed right here. But as you can see, I have no one. So all I have is the section help here, but I have no referrals. Okay, guys, so the bottom line, Really Smart Art works. Whatever advertising video you've watched till now, it's absolutely true what they're saying. Okay, so this works. Now, you're gonna find below this video, you're gonna find my affiliate link. However, feel free to sign up under whatever link you want, okay? However, I'd appreciate that if you signed up under my link. Okay, so I think this is it for today's video, guys. I think this is proof enough that the system works. So do yourself a favor and sign up as soon as possible. In the meantime, either I see you in here or I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Cheers.